Jamal wants to divide 10 eggs completely among the people in each set. In set A, there is only one person. 10 divided by 1 results in 10. It means all the eggs will go to the person in set A. Recall, 10 is called the dividend. 1 is the divisor. 10 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Set B has 2 people. When the eggs are divided among 2 people, each will get 5 eggs. In set C, we have 3 people. When 10 is divided by 3, each person gets 3 eggs and 1 egg will be left over. Jamal cannot divide all the eggs among the people in set C as the remainder is not 0. For set D, each person will get 2 eggs, but that will leave 2 eggs remaining. Jamal cannot divide all 10 eggs completely among the people of set D because the remainder is not 0. The people in set E will get 2 eggs each, as 10 divided by 5 results in 2. The people in the last set will get 1 egg each, as there are 10 eggs and 10 people. In mathematics, the numbers 1, 2, 5 and 10 are called factors of 10. A factor is a number which divides the dividend completely, leaving no remainder. 3 and 4 are not factors of 10 because the remainder of their division with 10 is not 0. Likewise, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are also not factors of 10 as the remainder is not 0. Let us further explain this concept with the help of a few examples. Is 3 a factor of 15? To know if 3 is a factor of 15, we simply divide 15 by 3 and find out if the remainder is 0 or not. Here, 3 divides 15 completely, with the quotient as 5 and the remainder as 0. So, this tells us that after division, if the remainder is 0, the divisor is a factor of the dividend. In this example, we can say that 3 is a factor of 15 because 3 divides 15 completely. Next, is 3 a factor of 16? To know the answer, let's divide 16 by 3. 3 times 5 is 15, and 16 minus 15 gives 1. Since the remainder is not 0, we say that 3 is not a factor of 16. Moving on, can you find all the factors of 16? We can find all the factors of 16 by writing it as a product of different combinations of two numbers. Let's start from 1. 1 multiplied by 16 is 16. In fact, 1 is a factor of any natural number as it divides completely into any natural number. Since 1 is a factor, 16 is also a factor. Generally, a number is a factor of itself. We have written 16 as a product of two numbers. It can also be written as 2 times 8. Next, take 3. 16 is not completely divisible by 3, so we cannot write 16 as a product of 3 and another number. 4 times 4 results in 16. Are there more combinations? Yes, it can be written as a product of 8 and 2. Hence, all the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Similarly, to find all the factors of a given number, divide the given number sequentially by 1, 2, 3, up to the number itself. Take a moment to determine if these statements are correct or not. Is 4 a factor of 24? 4 divides completely into 24, and the remainder is 0. Recall that a factor is a number which divides the dividend completely, leaving no remainder. Therefore, 4 is a factor of 24. Is 5 a factor of 24? Let's divide 24 by 5. 5 times 4 is 20, and 24 minus 20 gives 4 as a remainder. Since the remainder is not 0, 5 is not a factor of 24. In this video, we learnt that a number that divides a given number completely is called a factor of that given number. The number itself and 1 are always factors of a given number. Now, are you ready for a challenge? Can you find all the possible factors of 344?